Hey there, data wizards. Lightbulb ever struggled with Microsoft Excel, choking up on those massive data sets you're trying to crunch? Fret no more, there's a whole universe of robust alternatives just waiting to be discovered. If you're ready for a data revolution, let's dive in. Excel, our faithful old friend, often stumbles when tackling the hefty data challenges of modern times. It's not just the size, it's about needing sharper tools for data analysis, processing, and team collaboration. But what could you possibly use instead? Enter the heavy hitters like Google Sheets, offering real-time collaboration from anywhere in the world. And who can overlook the ever-so-versatile WPS Office spreadsheets, which packs advanced data analysis tools in a user-friendly package? Then there's Hancom Cell, boasting precision in computation like no other, and LibreOffice Calc, an open-source gem that offers vast customization. Not to mention, Apache OpenOffice Calc echoes this spirit, emphasized by the nod of approval from the open-source community. And for those who play well with others, Zoho Sheet enhances your data engagement with its top-notch collaborative features. Meanwhile, Smartsheet cleverly blends project management and data analysis to give your number crunching that extra punch. Apple aficionados, don't think we've forgotten you. Apple's Numbers marries functionality with their trademark sleekness. G-Numeric takes a different stride with a minimalist yet efficient approach for swift data operations. ClickUp changes the game completely by fusing spreadsheets and project management tools into one powerhouse platform. Now, with all these alternatives battling for your attention, the real question remains, how do you choose? It boils down to your data demands and style of work. Customer ratings and testimonials across the web speak volumes, offering you a glimpse into the experiences of others. Start wrapping up your old Excel sheets, it's time to upgrade your digital toolkit. These alternatives aren't just about sidestepping limitations, they're about elevating your data management to realms of excellence. Ready to explore these powerful Excel alternatives and step up your data game? The revolution is just one click away. Check out the BizStack blog for a deeper dive into each option and start crunching data like a pro. If this peek into the possibilities sparked your interest, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more savvy solutions, and sound off in the comments about your experiences with data giants. Until next time, keep calculating and stay excellent. Rocket Bar Chart.